Okay, that's a good question. It comes up time and time again. There's multiple cleaning solutions in the market. Some people use acetone, methylated spirits, panel wipes, thinners. All of those cleaning solutions are going to be not only bad for your skin, but they're also likely to degrade the plastics, and you'll start getting more breakages, and also it could soften the paintwork. Now, obviously, if we soften the paintwork, we then go in there with hot glue, we could very well lift the paint from the surface. So what we use is a 99.9% isopropyl alcohol. So there's a difference between the isopropyl and rubbing alcohol. There was something that was said to me a couple of weeks ago. Someone said that isopropyl isn't a cleaning solution. That is absolutely not the case. Rubbing alcohol is a disinfectant. Isopropyl, and I shall read from the MSDS sheet here, under the heading it says isopropyl alcohol is a powerful cleaning solution that is 99.9% pure. It can be used to disinfect surfaces, but its main point is to clean electronic parts and remove glue, grease, ink and varnish, to name some of the properties. Isopropyl alcohol is a powerful cleaning solution, again that is 99.9% pure. So that's straight from the MSDS sheet, so please don't be under any illusions that this won't clean, it will. So why is this one blue? We've added a property to that just enables the alcohol to basically go off, flash off slower. So if you used to spray a normal alcohol on the panel, it would take a couple of seconds and it would dissipate and it would just erode to nothing. Whereas this one, you spray it on the panel, it would puddle. So that's why this one's blue. So you can use 99.9%, but obviously this one's going to be slightly better. So hopefully that answers the question.